Omar, the old spice man, hunched over his tiny weights, counting saffron threads with shaky fingers. The sun beat down on the bustling market, but Omar's heart was cold. Envy coiled inside him, like a snake hissing at his rival, Ahmad. Across the way, his young rival, Ahmad, was surrounded by laughing customers. His silk, scarves, as bright as desert mirages, attracting money, like bees to flower. A bitter taste filled Omar's mouth. Why him? He thought, the snake hissing louder. His shelves are always full, while mine gather dust. Suddenly, a skinny figure passed, coughing. Omar shut his scales tight, ignoring the pleading eyes. Not my problem, the snake whispered, but a small voice inside argued, is that the best Muslim, Omar? Someone who ignores those in need. Shame burned his cheeks. He reached into a hidden pouch, his fingers brushing against a dusty bag of cardamom. An idea sparked. He grabbed some spice seeds and rushed after the man. Here, Omar mumbled, his voice tight, get some bread. The man's eyes shone with tears. May Allah bless you, brother, he rasped. His thanks worked like a soothing balm on Omar's soul. In that moment, the warmth of his act melted, the icy grip of envy. He looked back at Ahmad, not with bitterness, but with new eyes. That night, he saw a dream. Omar stood before a grand gate, guarded by angels. Who are you? One boomed. Omar stammered, I help the poor, greet people kindly. But do you truly wish it for others, as you wish it for yourself? A gentle voice asked. He remembered Ahmad, the sting of envy replaced by a desire for his success. Yes, he whispered, soft as a feather. The gate swung open, revealing a lush garden. Omar woke up, the dream clinging to him, like morning dew. He rushed back to the market, not to compete, but to share. He gifted Ahmad a pinch of his rarest saffron and smiled warmly. May your silks shine brighter than desert stars, Omar said. Ahmad, surprised and touched, returned the gesture with a vibrant scarf. From that day the market bloomed, with a different beauty. Omar's scales held not just spices, but kindness, generosity, and the silent echo of the Prophet's teachings. Who is the best Muslim? The one who feeds another's body and soul, the one that sees not rivals, but brothers, the one that mirrors the wishes of its own heart in the well-being of another.